Do you wish you could make your bed look like one in a magazine? Well, surprisingly, it's more simple than you think. Through a few easy steps, you too can achieve that luxurious look for your bed linens. The first step of styling your bed is stacking your sleeping pillows. Stacking them on top of each other is a more formal look, while placing one in front of the other is a little more casual. Next, you need to place and fold your duvet. If you're a cold sleeper who likes a lot of covers, then do a single fold close to the top of the bed. For a hot sleeper who likes lighter covers, do a double fold at the bottom of the bed. The double fold is also a great way to show off a nice quilt or blanket. To begin styling your pillows, start with the Decorative Shams. There are two types to use, the Euro Shams and then the King or Queen Shams. Euro Shams are the big squares. You typically use 2 to 3 of these, depending on the size of your bed. King or Queen Shams are long rectangle pillows. This sham size is based on your bed, and you would typically use 2. How you choose to stack and layer these is really based on your preference. Now it's time to layer in your accent pillows. There are a variety of options: lumbar, neck roll, and even fun small shapes. To finish styling your bed, add in the final touches. This can be a folded coverlet or quilt across the foot of the bed, or a chunky throw blanket to add texture and appeal.